good evening from here. Good evening and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so today is day 2 of the trade fair vlog, trade fair tour vlog. So basically, they don't sell anything there. It's just for display. They'll just give you the sample. You test it. If you like it, then you can contact them. They will give you their complimentary card. So but today I couldn't go because I went to market. Yeah, I went to market because I have a birthday food preparation. That is, someone is doing birthday for her son on Sunday. So she told me to cook food for them. So I went to market today. That's why I couldn't make it today. Trade fair tour. So but tomorrow, which is the last day, I will go. It's only my husband that went today. Let me show you what my husband came back with. Yeah. Hey, Jesus. This bag is full of salt. Full of salt. Let me show you. Wow. Can you see? Table salt. That aside, also pink salt. This one is like stone. Koa salt. Koa salt. Everything here is salt. The powdered pouch. The same company. Fine grain salt. White sauce. This is my best. My best. I will use it and cook. This is pink salt. It looks white in the camera, but it's pink. Yeah, it's pink. Oh my God. So this book contains everything you want to know about Pakistan. It's so big. Everything you want to know about Pakistan is inside this book. All the products, all the companies, everything you want to know about this country is inside this book. Yeah. Same thing. Nothing again. Pepper for the companies. Anyone you want to contact. Yeah. Pepper. Finish. So I'll be going there tomorrow for the last day. Yeah, tomorrow is the last day and I'll be going there. After that, I'll come back. I'll show you guys what I got in the market today. But not this night. It's already 9:40 something p.m. right now. So I want to go to bed. Yeah, tomorrow I'll show you what I got in the market. Then we head over to the tour. Yeah, I'll be cooking for a birthday party on Sunday. Just jollof rice, nothing much. Yeah, but I went to the market today, ordered chicken, bought the rice, bought all the ingredients that I'll be needing. Yeah, everything is downstairs. Tomorrow I'll show you guys. Yeah, or when I'm cooking the food on Sunday, because birthday is actually on Sunday. Okay, see you then. Bye.
Many hours later.
So guys, I'm downstairs now. I want to show you guys what I got from the market. Yeah, let me show you guys what I got from the market for the birthday. What I will use to cook for the birthday party. Yeah. So let me show you. This bag is full. Let me bring the camera down. I have tomato paste here, 5 of them. Another one, so it's 5. Red pepper powder. Yeah, got these 2. This is ginger powder, garlic powder, black pepper. Yeah, if you use black pepper for your jollof rice, you will like it. Yeah, black pepper powder, actually nice for jollof rice. And also the white pepper is also good for jollof rice, party jollof rice. You want to get that party jollof rice taste, just add white pepper to it, you will like it. Then I have nutmeg. Yeah, I have nutmeg and my curry powder. Then the oil. This is 5 liters of canola oil. 5 liters. Okay. The onions and the main ingredients, which is rice. This is Sarah basmati rice, 20 kg. Yeah. So another thing that I bought is flavored chicken powder, thyme for cooking the meat, and chicken cube. Yeah, this is the nut we find in this country. Now chicken cube with raw chicken unpack. Then this paprika powder. Like guys, if you want that smoky party jollof rice, add this to your ingredients. Yeah, add this to your list of ingredients. Paprika powder, any brand. Actually, I use 2 brands, this and the other one in the kitchen. 2 of them are nice. 2 of them is good. Yeah, paprika powder will give that smoky party taste. Yeah, my chicken is here. Yeah, my chicken is here inside the freezer.
The next day. My brother, sister, get your BBC. Make me unite, make me vote you be. Now my president, me I want better tomorrow. Me no want to no.
Hi guys, so the day we are waiting for is finally here. Yes, the day we're waiting for is finally here. Today is Saturday, which is the election day in Nigeria. Presidential election day in Nigeria. So please, if you have your PVC, don't sit at home. Go and cast your vote. Let's do our own and leave the rest to God. Yes, let's do our own. Then God will take over. Yeah, I believe so. I believe that the new Nigeria will emerge soon. Yeah, that is our prayer. That is my prayer too. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. For now, I'm signing out. Bye.